Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending the location you may be hearing my voice and the time you will click iji wee gee ntị wee n'ife anyị mere taa. Ana m ekene Chukwu abịam onye pụrụ ibe ihe niile. Na mbụ ka ekpe na ekpere biko. Ezigbote onye nwe m na Chineke m, eze ebube eze dị nsọ. Na mbụ ka ihe a bidoro Chineke, tata na ọ dị anọ gadigide wee ruo mgbe ebighị ebi. O nwere afọ ọzọ n'eluigwe n'elu ụwa n'okpuru ụwa n'ebe ụwa satụrụ anyị pụrụ ikpere wee nwee ire nwee ndụ na-abụrụ gị bụ Chineke abịa. Anyị wee na-egosi n'ebe anyị batara n'obi gị ohu ga-adị na mbụ ga-eguzo Chineke. Anyị ayọ gị nke a n'aba gị dị nsọ wee ruo mgbe niile bụ Chukwu okike abịa bụ onye nwe m na onye nwe anyị. Achọrọ m ikwu okwu. In other words, I want to give a little word. I will call it preaching. I want to preach on a topic that I titled Stop That Scam. Stop That Scam. Ihe m na-ekwu bụ kwụsị ịwale mmadụ a. Scam, in other words, is aghụghọ. Aghụghọ iji anara mmadụ ifie. Aghụghọ iji eli nke abụrụ nke gị. Aghụghọ iji eli ife elutụrụ gị. Achọrọ m ikwu okwu on that topic. And I want to start with a story of a tortoise. Story of the tortoise. Mbe. Onye amara ife bụ mbe. Achọrọ m ikwu okwu. Achọrọ m ibidogodu na ịkọrọ unu akụkọ ka mbe na his business partner ji wee mee business in our place in my own local language. One of sometimes in so by feeling ndị mmadụ ara anọsị anyị na-akpọ mbe, that is mbe. Mbe nwere a business partner, somebody nyanya actually ime business, and unu maka aka mbe dị, unu maka okwu ya dị. Mbe nwere ike ime nwe ife, mbe nwere ike ikwu like okolobịa mba. So mbe wee jee kpata dị mkpa mmadụ. Able-bodied man, a man can go the heavy here. But that my brother Nana also the heavy. So we just about this boy. We say I make business. Kahaje sionya. Ndeba na bi guobo. In those days, abia oga anu na asa. It is yonunu. Anu nka but odai. Kimwa blow bi bia kubuo yunolie. So mbe na his business partner we je buo nunu a. Busia ya. Although the following day, Fabeka had to this onya. Bia, Obuni fell dialing in morning, I'm a boke. Ha, Mbetia. Siana, wow. If I had a so okay, come at that time. Okay, no problem. My colleague, you will look and I shinina. Open all the tanch. Come on, Bulu. His colleague now, Sambe, a bombard. Block and I shall not get lynch. Oluteshi. That one, I want the tanch. Fabi again, you say, no quite here that alone. My colleague, William, I can tomorrow the time, but I come near. Just like that. Oh, this boy has been can't get silly but and lynch tamba. Instead of that, keep lynching and you will lynch, only go okay. Had that again, what a tapa mbada. Mbasia. Oh, yeah, the gumbada. The onion is trying. Okay, Liambada. She no one other town Obo Camille just like that. Owelu was your young one that any Habia. When you say yes, now doing a try with other again. Ngwa Buliana. Open always or that tone leave and lane ka Moabulu. The boy Basia Mbuleni na Open always or that tone leave and lane. In other words, that thing swallowed what can swallow elephants. I get what I'm saying. So Odi bo asiamba mbamba. No mo ga ebo no lifenole mbe ebule yin na. We for na mbe ebuzu go mu anu. Oluzie the next day they came. Abi obo na gini melo na nnukwu mmiri ezogo ju na onya anwa. Odatara even tem. The boy say mbe kezi emezo onya. What was some mmiri head ni here? O say yes. No mmiri bụ gịnị? Onori ife n'elenyi. Ka anyị too Chineke. I possibly want to start with this little story. It's a scam. Ihe isi okwu m na-achọ igwe unu bụ na gịnị? Church is gịnị? Scam. Total one. Ada enyi. Church ha bịara were egwu tie isi anyị n'ime. Akpọrọ ejikwa n'afa Chineke egwu. And I won't take this name, Jesus. Now, boy, come into my own Shiran. Come into my Shiran. Shout Jesus however he wants. Nothing spoiled. Nothing will happen. I get what I'm saying? But as you know, if you know to ever open Hebrew, ever half of Jesus, how even maybe Gene Kobo scam. How are you? Have you put so many things? Can be regarded as baptism. I'm not going to say baptism name. Unuma the reason for the baptism. Asigi na ana asagi enjoy kelo wa. Ogwezie. In other words, nne na ga mata hagon of man. Now here in Afro baptism, I want to show you the physical thing. I don't want to talk of the spiritual aspect of it. In baptism, has na change, they will change your name. And that is how isi okeke ba now. Onwe okeke neba. Okafa lost. Okongo, we've lost our names. We have changed. I'm Patrick. Do I never want to mention that? I get what I'm saying. Isaiah Paul, Gregory, Barnabas. And when I walk about Barnabas, what is the meaning of Barnabas? You cannot tell. Why are you answering that name? We are like that tortoise colleague. That colleague in Bekwa, Onya business. We are like that person. Somebody is deceiving you, taking away the original and giving you fake. Today, here we are in Nigeria. Here we are. Look at. Let me also use this opportunity to say this thing. So many things I like correct in our platform, and some of us are misunderstanding me. I want to say it here. Nobody is afraid of anything. We only want this movement to continue and last forever. And by God's grace, why last forever? That is the only way we can survive. So it doesn't mean that we don't understand what you are saying. Money for them and I had a fear. But when we come here, we behind a clap. Before you know it, we end up inside the same scam. So my topic is stop that scam. They are not willing to stop it because of getting. They are making money. They are making money. Imagine a situation. So many of us don't even have bicycle. But now contribute for somebody to service his car, for somebody to fuel his car. Sometimes we even give offering. For private jets. We do all these things in our country, and we never cease to be bad. Is it not a scam? Now somebody's gonna forget about this life. When you die, you go to where? You go to heaven. And the young man, he's busy making it. He's busy enjoying the life. You also came to live. Who have ever gone up to heaven and came back and tell us how we look like? Who? Even in the Bible, even my brother said, when I try, you are trying. I threw my own away. Do I know I will still get it? But thank God I still have so many things offered. But at the time I got annoyed and I threw my own away because I know that particular book, anyway, some truths to the inside, but it has been adulterated. Bible maybe. Especially this New Testament that the British country brought to our land in order to steal everything we have. They took away everything we have. Thank God for his mercy that no one is something to those who couldn't even. I get what I'm saying. If it is possible to take our water, these people will have even carried our water away. Yeah, the men sometimes, if they going to, when they go, they will die. Because the powers there cannot tolerate. So what I'm saying and what I'm saying here is that it is a scam. I want us to understand that it is a totally scam. All I know we are civilized, I mean. All you believe and you give. Just like the tortoise. Somebody that is incapable of doing anything. Those people, now they are not able. They are not strong like us. All the my brother was Alexander, the great Alexander, I think. I want to tell you first aid. But some of us, we Africans, we can even sleep in the bush. Tomorrow morning we are strong, going where we are going. I want us to also reason about this. On our bros scam, now I will go to Ekwensu. I say I know Ekwensu before G because now I know G. Then Muhammad the angel and the Holy Spirit. Because woman pardon me to say this. When God created the world, or we hope like that is that He made human being out of where? Out of the soil. And look at our land. If I pull up my clothes and lie down there, you hardly know that somebody is lying there. Do you catch what I'm saying? Because I will look exactly like the sand. Then somebody came and tell me that I am not original. Then let him go and bring cream in order to make me white so that I will become like angel. Sometimes I love him, no one if you go a fair. You get put on Kuefalon. Nine a journey, I was here in Negro. Check on a or better Taziano and Nabi. Oh, scam. Oh, yeah, the only reason I gave me a beginning to empty our brain. Can you war useless people just like, let me save some words. Some of us are today. Let me not because everybody got insult to everybody. So many of us are very, very useless in our thinking. We don't even reason. Oh, when somebody drew a question some time ago in our platform, when I drew about the idol in his place, so it happened even in our place. But thank God, now the ROC or Megan had the go by or everything had there was an apple. Then I make it was a full block with the thing just escaped. And after Kahabas, or Megan would be listening about one by one. On their way going to Lagos, some people born inside the car. If you now or 2 go out in Lebanon, now ban the car, back in there, let your hair bound. Later on, again, they are towards the again. They say no, whatever you do. They are not very close to that his place. Now they couldn't dress early or not. So what I'm saying about that now, he had an before, the original, and the people will be allowed they only want to do what? To deceive us and take away the original and leave again after. If I'm ready for cash or applying. Kahara plan already, you're actually. So, but let us go back to our origin. Today, upon the whole churches we have in this country, upon all our clapping of hands, upon all our night vigils, are we still living longer? People now die at the age of 40, 45. 60, we say, to God be the glory. Is it not true? People dying at the age of 60 years, we say, to God be the glory. The only cause of this thing is because they have steal the original from us and they give us fake. But what I want to announce to you this day is that there is still hope. There is still hope. Anabanye ka dị ọgbabere ọsọ. Is unable. They cannot carry it. Arebu anebu. One of my brothers said, "Amabulenu anemegini ananyido." You can only take it from up, but imambuita. Diana is still there, speaking for us. Diana wants us to come back and gain our freedom. So many angels, so many things. Some of them are there, still waiting for us to return back. So what the title of my message is "Stop That Scam." Oh, I need to see Vine. Like I said, has to get rapo alosege. A happy ajano noka. If you have apple veg mary, come up halos your bar. Abo Joseph your bar. Has to get apple ndi shie. Nage, iya henyi nage because on go. And you know if I also know email. You came to church overseas St. Anthony or Kuleba. What is the difference between all these things? Let me smile it because I'm asked to conclude. Like I said before, the promise of heaven, Bogene, total lie. Total lie. Man was made out of sand, and man was returned to the sand. Our Bible daily. From dust you came, from dust you shall return. When you return to the dust, the only thing you need again is for the living to remember you. For the living to remember you. That is why I finally. And as somebody who is not living in spirit, you will now help those living to get so that you will eat. So that he can be never nagefagi. I want to summarize by saying, let us come back. Let us come back to our senses. I know Ozi, I know Ozioma. Thank God for Ezewine. He gave his teaching. On a the rating I need. So this movement, we can a video to on a video. Or the maybe you don't see so many people, or you don't feel as if you are in the church. Oh, to a even those deceptive pastors, and a video, and when they start, because can easily what again. So lastly, before I leave the stage, Emily found Chogodi around you. Because now those people in Ababu has nothing to offer you. They has absolutely nothing. In this particular Obi Abiam, I am with so many people. And if I you say, brother, I will not do this. I will direct you to the person that will do it. One thing again, I want to say, but in our platform, there is something, I know something like an advertisement. I don't believe in that. Why we are here is for us to know God. And in the house of God, there are so many things. There is healing here. And when people they capable, it is just to avoid that advertisement. Otherwise, the other day when somebody told about a bone, one of us here in this hall has no occupation, not here behind. I wanted to direct, then I said, you have spoke much. So let me conclude here so far. Tonu Shineke.